In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to delete your Google account permanently here on your device. You can do this on your iPhone device, on your Android device, as well as on a laptop, depending on where you're comfortable in doing this. Anything works, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it on any gadget or electronic device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I help you with tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, there we go. The very first thing we need to do is hop into our internet browser. Pretty much every device has an internet browser, right? So you want to hop straight into google.com real quick. You want to tap on sign in at the top right corner to log in to your Google account, right? Next up, let's log in with your email account. There we go, I'm already logged in into my Google account, and next up I'll tap on the top right corner where I do have my image real quick over there. Okay, let me tap on don't use Chrome. Oops, again. Okay. Next up, we'll tap on manage your Google account. So you want to manage your Google account to go all the way to the settings and change a lot of settings or manage your preferences. Okay. Now, once we're here, we'll tap here on this little search icon in here, and then we'll search for delete. Okay, so we want to search for delete, and you'll be able to see delete your Google account. Tap on delete your Google account. Next up, you'll be brought to this page in here which says, hey, you can download your data before deleting your account. So I would recommend you to download your data in case you have emails which are important emails, documents. Download all your data, and then you can now proceed with the deletion of your account without any issues. So in case you actually need some information in the future, you can still get access to it. Now scroll down and give a look at everything that will be deleted. You do have 2,155 conversations that will be deleted. Your photos, your YouTube account in here, your calendar, it pretty much will tell you everything that you do have here linked. So you need to tap on yes, I acknowledge, and then yes, I want to permanently delete, and then tap on delete account. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't wish to delete my account, but this is just for showcase purposes so you can actually understand how to delete your Google account permanently. This is how easy you can actually delete your Google account in here from your iPhone, whether it's from your Android phone or if it's from your laptop. So this is how to do it on your laptop. Simply open a browser and go straight into google.com, log into your account real quick. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful and you wish to receive more updates about videos like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.